Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your name on Facebook. So if your profile isn't showing the name you want, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Now look for your profile button. It's usually at the bottom right or top right depending on your device, and tap on it. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings at the top. At the top, you'll see Account Center. Tap on See More under Account Center. Your Account Center is where you manage all your meta profiles, like Facebook and Instagram. From here, tap on Profiles. Then select Facebook, and then tap Name. Now you'll see your first name, middle name, and last name. Just type in the new name you want. Make sure everything is correct. Once you change your name, you won't be able to update it again for 60 days, so make sure it's exactly how you want it. When you're happy with your new name, tap Done, then Save, and you're all set. Your Facebook name has been updated.